Hello everyone and welcome to the Apptoberfest demo from Elements. Yes, I know, I'm disguised for Halloween. Thank you, Ken. But more about Ken during the happy hours on October 27th. Today we are talking about Apptoberfest. And as you may guess, we had to pivot quite fast on our idea. And what we decided for the Apptoberfest is that we would like to have like a team building activity where all the different teams from the company will visit a list of bars that will be provided by the people team, and then having the list per team project, we will be able to visit and then give our ratings, our comments about each bar. Ready to see Elements Copy and Sync in action? So here we are for the demo of Apptoberfest. And for Apptoberfest, we thought as a company that it would be very nice to have a team building activity and to visit some bars. So we quickly created this list with like our wish list of bars to visit, and we decided to share it with different teams. So as we can see here, we have the product project, the marketing project, the support team project, and the DevOps Biergarten tour project. And what we would like to do now is, like, for example, if I go here, I have my empty list, and then I have to create either item by item or having copy them one by one. But imagine the time that it would take to copy from here to every project all the list. Long, right? And we don't want to spend like hours creating this. We really want to go and start visiting these bars. So for this, we decided to use Copy and Sync to create the same list that we created here in Apptoberfest. And yep, use the recipe that we previously programmed that we called Biergarten Tour, and to decide to which team we are copying all the issues or the list of all the bars that we want to visit. So there you go, everything's ready now, and we are able to see directly in our support project that all the bars are already here. Now it's only time to decide which one will be the first we want to visit and to share with all the company. Like, for example, we say that we are visiting the Forest Biergarten. Let's imagine that I and of course the support team already visited this Biergarten, and now we are ready to do the ratings and comments. And since it's a team building activity, we want to gather like all the feedbacks and all the comments that the different teams have about every Biergarten. And here we can say, for example, support team loves this Biergarten, and the team that was in charge of organizing this activity will be able to see all the comments because we decided that we wanted them to be synchronized. So if we go to the Forest Biergarten here, we will be able to see that the comment that I just wrote, support team loves this Biergarten, is already synchronized. This way all teams can work together quite easily and to have the information reflected immediately and synchronized, and the bulk copy was done like in seconds. As we saw during this demo, is that with Elements Copy and Sync you can improve efficiency and avoid repetitive tasks when bulk copying several issues from one project to another. You also can avoid human mistakes because, of course, automating, right? And Copy and Sync also allows you to create customized recipes to fit your use case or team's needs. And all of this with a seamless synchronization across boards. So we are excited to help you simplify your workflows, and I'm sure you and your team will love how much time and pain Copy and Sync will save you. Are you ready to give it a try? Thank you.